Morning, everybody. We are deep in day two here. Listen to me, it's so hot I can hardly talk. I've removed the cabinet here. I'm removing what was cove base over here, but not over here. So I'm going to continue to smooth down the walls to make sure we get good adherence here. I do have new cove base to go on the bottom there, so I think that's going to work out pretty good. So I come outside, you're finish the morning feed. And here's how the stuff I removed. The old cabinet is really added here. It's all warped. It's got some kind of joy juice there. I don't know what it is. It was leaking. That's history now. Let me close this. You never know who's going to wander in. And this was the cove base by the toilet there. Ooh, that's the bottom molding. So it's about time to just smooth things down, and we should be putting down some tile. It's a very light tile. You wouldn't dare put commercial asphalt tile down because it would be 5 to 6 pounds per, well, 2 to 3 pounds per, and this is like, I don't know, 5 ounces per sheet here. So it's very light. There's not going to be a weight problem or anything like that. So let me go ahead and finish smoothing out, and we will get started. Good to have you along. So far, so good. It's kind of looking like a casino bathroom. Huh? It's coming along good. I got to go get a dividers to scribe over here, so I'm going to have to run down to the store. I also need a small screwdriver and probably a new toilet paper holder. So I'm going to head down and take care of that, but I think it's looking pretty good. I might just keep laying field tile. I haven't decided yet. I'm liking the way that it's looking. Back to the store. It is crispy, 112 degrees. Pick up a few more small items here. I think it's time to give a little plasma donation. 80 bucks for plasma. Good money. That's Plasmagic, or maybe you need an Obama phone. What's your pleasure today? 112 degrees, anything goes. I think that's looking pretty handsome. I'm just laying down the field tile first, and then I'll come back and worry about fitting it in there. It's looking pretty good. The tile will be perfect for covering that. There won't be a weak spot. It'll be wide enough away from the rat holes. It should be pretty good. Come along. It is hot, hot, hot. Continuing to move around. I don't get the idea. It looks kind of like a casino. Like a casino bathroom. But I think these tiles are really excellent for the job. You may be wondering about the bars, like the handicap bar. I make the holes here as I go along. Same thing over here for the baby changing station. So the worst thing you can do is just cover up and run. It's going pretty good. On about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Let me tell you guys, that's the money shot right down there. To get that in without removing that valve and shroud. That's precision cut. Pretty happy about that. Yeah, it's a little funky getting down there. You're earning your wings on this one. That is for sure, but that looks pretty good down there. It's coming along. Coming along. Starting to run out of gas though. Okay, this is what the wrap up looks like for day 2. I want to thank you guys for being along. Made a lot of progress today. And I think it's looking very handsome. Tomorrow I hope to finish up all of the tile work, and then that'll just leave the painting to be done. I want to make everybody happy. Get the bathroom back in service. Woo. Thumbs up or appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for all notifications. And thanks so much for being along.